Dress to impress? Oh no.
Yeah.
And she sucks, of course. She's a glamourista.
I just don't play nearly as much as you.
Well, I also don't play this as much.
I literally only play this game with you.
Well, not my fault. I'm better than you.
Or
Easy theme.
Okay, whatever.
I'm literally. I'm dressing up in the lobby.
That's fine. Hey.
Make that all the same color.
Girl, why is girl saying what theme? Look at the top.
Girl, who said what theme?
I don't know.
This is so good. What does OQ mean?
Probably meant to say OQ. Okay, rather. Bro, who just responded to my send it? I sent it out like 3 days ago. How are people still responding, bro?
Is she stupid? Can she not read?
It's probably like a 5-year-old. Don't bully her.
Like, how does she not know what a mermaid and a siren is?
I wanted to be a mermaid when I was little.
And you probably still want to be a mermaid.
Girl.
Y'all, if you want the mermaid top and tail, write this in the code area because I got a... Okay, girl, no one cares. People are yapping too much in the server.
Oh my, I just got like 8 send-its. I'm about to combust, bro.
Just mute your notification.
Oh yeah, I can go on Do Not Disturb. TND. Okay. Ignore that I look atrocious right now. I'm just haven't customized colors yet.
Do sirens have hair?
Yeah. The whole point of a siren is that they're like supposed to be like beautiful and like lure you in.
Oh yeah. Ew, that looks like a grandma. Why are there so many types? Can I put like, wait, whatever, good enough. Mine looks horrific.
Same.
You already look like that in real life, so it wouldn't really matter.
Okay, buddy. It's this early on in the video and you already got it okay, buddy. Says a lot about you.
Mm-hmm.
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 Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Shut up.
Bro, I look so bad.
We can tell you look bad.
Okay, shut up.
Is someone really dressing up as Ariel?
Oh my god. It's almost like Ariel's a mermaid.
Girl, it's so overused.
Okay, buddy.
It literally is. Are you stupid?
Dun, 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 dun. Mine looks so bad, bro.
Why does she say the mermaid code like at the end of the round?
Exactly, bro.
The
Little Mermaid.
girl.
I mean, it is
we
overused, but it's also... I'm gonna give it a 2, just because, like, I feel like... I don't know.
Oh my god, I forgot to rate.
Girl.
Oops. Look,
Why is that kind of
look,
slay, though?
this one is actually unique, bro. This one's getting a 3.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it a 4, just because, I don't know, I like it.
She combined like the tiara thingy mabobra with like the Princess Mo'o crown.
Yeah.
This is better than the other one, so...
Oh, no, it wasn't. The colors aren't accurate on this one.
No one cares. It looks better.
Okay, buddy. I'm giving it a 2.
Well, same. The first one did deserve a 1. Well, the theme is literally mermaid / siren, so like you cannot do like Ariel human form.
Well, I mean, technically she's still a mermaid. She just had legs.
I'm giving her a 1.
Okay. I mean, same, because the outfit just overall sucked, but... Slayer, it's me.
Oh my god, so pretty. 5 stars.
If I watch this back and you gave me a 1, hope I accidentally did post 28.
I did not give you 1. Hi.
That's you, right? Slay.
This is me,
Why is that genuinely slay, though? Except for
Rio.
the fact that she's naked on top.
Shut up. I forgot to put that on. No, post 12. Oh my god, can they like stop with the Ariel?
No.
Okay, the brat
VIP.
makeup first of all, and like the shoe thingy, my bobber, you're getting
VIP
a 1.
here.
This
Bitch,
sucks.
You don't need VIP to use. I don't have VIP. Do you?
No, I don't have VIP.
Exactly.
This
Does
one
it feel
actually
real, though?
eats. I'm giving her a 3.
Yeah, same.
She copied what I did with like the skirt thingy.
Where is that skirt? I can never find the freaking skirt.
You're supposed to buy for 3,000 stuff.
Okay, I'm stupid.
Wait, how much? This is such a scam. 49 Robux for 100 coins.
Hello?
1,500 for 6,000 coins. Oh, I forgot to rate her.
Bro, I gave her a 3.
She looked like a grape. I got like 1 glimpse.
These teamers.
At least the ones that I thought were good won. I mean, I'm also on there.
I got 5.
I wonder why. Because of that ugliness.
Okay, buddy. Not me just being casually green.
Oh, but you're gonna rewatch the footage, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Bro.
Oh. Don't worry about that.
If anyone's watching this us. 1, get a life. 2, tell me if he gave me a 1 in the comments. And smash that subscribe button.
And the like button. And write a comment while you're at it. Fashion week. Okay, fire. I'm just gonna. Actually, never mind. I'm not gonna just wear a dress and then say I'm finished.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hello? Why did I not load it now?
Oh yeah, did you see our thumbnails? They ate.
Yeah.
Guess who made them?
You?
No, it actually was a surprise guest. Me!
Oh, okay. I was about to say, we have a total of 1 subscriber, and that is my other account.
Shut up, we're gonna get popular soon. Sooner or later, we're gonna get popular.
The outfit will eat soon, trust.
Girl, no one's looking at your screen though, they're looking at mine.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
The outfit will
Oh my
eat.
god, wait, Sabrina Carpenter reference? They ain't even looking at you, they looking at me?
Shut up. Please shut up.
I was a Godric kid, if you can't tell.
Shut up.
Yeah.
You're not You're not funny.
I know.
Very cringe.
I know.
Muchos cringe. Why does this look outrageous? How do I do this?
Not girl using the hijab and then having like side pieces out.
I swear, if she does a fire Muslim.
Bro. Doesn't having your hair out like defeat the entire purpose? What do you mean? Cause like she put the hijab on and then she put like wispy bangs outside. Doesn't that defeat the purpose?
Bro, you're supposed to cover your hair.
Exactly, bro. I'm not even Muslim and I know that.
Whatever. They're probably doing like fire Muslim.
Real. No, cause like people started like doing it after that as a joke, but like.
Yo, if anyone's watching this, looking at me that I have nothing on, do not say anything. Trust the process. Trust the process.
Wait, I already did skin. What am I doing?
Wait, I don't know which one looks better. I think this one without.
Should I do? I'm wearing a short red dress and black heels and do like gold accessories. Should I do curly or straight hair?
Straight.
Okay. That's what I was thinking.
Is that girl dressed up as Santa?
Girl, hello?
Help, no, it's the girl with the hijab that's like keeping like every single part of her hair out. She's also showing body.
Yeah.
I don't know what she's trying to do, but it's not working. That looks absolutely bodacious.
Girl, hello.
Take it off. Bro, I gotta hurry up. I don't have no shoes, no pants, no hair, no makeup. Gotta hurry up.
Hello, help me, bro. Help, why is it like not letting me?
I'm just wearing whatever I see. Hairstyle. Do that.
Oh, I forgot to layer my hair. I don't have time now.
Whatever, the face is good enough. Wear those.
Bro.
No! Oh my god, I failed.
Same.
I'm gonna kill myself. 1 star.
Hijab is spelled Hijab, right?
Yeah.
Look what I said in the chat.
Not how you use the hijab, hun. It's great. She's also getting a 1. She didn't even color anything.
Bro used an entire mannequin and didn't color.
She colored. Wait, was she trying to do like Barbie or something?
Probably. I did not eat.
Help, what? 5 stars! This definitely 8 deserved a 5.
5 stars! Ah, and you are talking. What is that hair, buddy?
Shut up, I just wore what I saw. Ignore the face. Wait, this will give me extra points. Yay.
Bye. Remember when you hit the post 28 on FaceTime?
What?
Remember when you did the post 28 on FaceTime?
That was you, not me.
No, it wasn't. It was you. I have pictures.
I also have pictures. This one actually 8. Finally, bro. I was giving everyone 1. She can actually have a 3. Yeah, I'm giving this person a 3. I gave everyone like a 1.
Yeah. Slay! 5 stars.
5 stars. 5 stars, y'all. 5 stars. 5 stars. Very beautiful. Love the layering. Your friend Kanye West has joined the experience.
Hello. Okay, anyway, a moderate slay. I'm gonna give it a 2.
2? The other girl literally just wore the code things.
Yeah.
A 1.
No, thank you.
She is not eating.
Not at all.
I'm gonna give her a 5. Just being generous.
Also, can you hear me crunching and munching on this popcorn?
Yeah. How did the second girl literally win?
How did Fire Muslim win? I got 7th.
Well, this is gonna be the end of the video, y'all.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
I mean, I guess. Bye.
T.